Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veil Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today I'm going to be making air fried crispy chicken wings today in this Ninja air fryer. Okay, that's what we're going to be using today, and I'm going to show you some of these ingredients. Alright, I got some granulated garlic. I got some black pepper. This is fine black pepper. Some oregano. And I have some starch. I have some K-roll seasoning. I have some Old Bay, some baking powder, and I have some spray, some olive oil. This is misto. That's just the name of the spray. Okay, you just take this off like that and you spray, shake it up and spray. You want, if you do have a misto or something like that, you want to only fill it like halfway, so it can build enough pressure for you can squirt on your chicken. All right. So this right here, I put a teaspoon of garlic. I put a teaspoon of black pepper. I put a teaspoon of oregano. I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I put a teaspoon Tony's K-roll seasoning, and the baking soda. I put a teaspoon of that in there, and this Old Bay, I put like a teaspoon of that in there, and I got 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. All right, and I'm gonna show you that chicken. So here's what we did. We just put all that seasoning in this bag right here. I did not season the chicken up. I washed the chicken off very thoroughly, like 3 or 4 times. I used some salt, some vinegar, and that's it, and some cold water. All right, and I'm just let it air dry a little bit, much as I can. And what I'm gonna do with this, take it over here to this bag. I'm just gonna throw them in the bag, probably like 2 or 3 of them at a time. All right, we're gonna shake this bad boy up like this. All right. So you want them to be real crispy. Put them ingredients in it, especially the baking powder. Let me just make sure. Yeah, baking powder. Let me make sure, and the starch. So we're gonna keep this in this bag. And I want this to stick to the meat real good. Because remember, we got that seasoning in there, so we don't have to season our meat. There's 1 piece left, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add that one as well. Put this in the sink. I'm gonna take this bad boy, shake it. Now you don't have to do this, but this is what I do, because mainly the flour is at the bottom all the time. So what I do is I just leave it like this, let it sit to this bottom. Then I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can get on that meat, and we're gonna go ahead and spray some of it down and put it in this. And this right here. All right, this is that Ninja air fryer. How you work this tray just simply slides out. Okay, that's what you have. This is ceramic, and it pops out like so. This particular one, you don't have to put the oil down at the bottom. I don't know why would you have to do that, because it's not like it's going to pop up on it. But you just want to spray it down well on each side, and then I just pop it in there, and it shouldn't stick to that. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. I had the chicken sit for about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and shake it up again. ahead and fold this chicken. Alright. You can sit it in there. For now. Remember I told you I'm going to put the oil on both sides. So I'm going to put it on this side first. Turn this knob. Okay, I'm back. So, for future reference, I would not recommend Misto. It's just too complicated to use. I tried everything up under the sun to use it. They say fill halfway. I did that, but it seems it don't want to spray. The top, it don't even push down. See what I mean? It don't do none of that. And we got this little piece at the bottom. They said remove the cap. I removed the cap and let it fill up with oil. I did all that. It didn't do anything. So I would not be recommending this to anyone at all. It sucks. I'll put this thing in there. Put the lid on there. And so you gotta go like this. Maybe that's what you had to do. Maybe that's what you had to do. Yep. So yeah, it's still complicated. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna get another one. You just gotta do too much work. You know what I mean? This the pump. They ain't say nothing about no pump action. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Just too much work. See what I mean? Now I gotta go pumping again. See what I'm saying? Just buy you the regular one, the EVO or whatever. But this is not cool. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple more pieces. Put this bad boy in there. I'm gonna like spray it down a little bit as I go. Sorry about the mess. The thing that got me frustrated. Not worth the time. You get the EVO one. That's what I was looking for. I was at Walmart. I didn't see one there. So I know where I'm going to go. I go to my favorite one, which is Bed Bath & Beyond. That's where I normally go to get most of my stuff. See what I'm saying? Now I got pump again. This is ridiculous. You got time for that? I don't. Go ahead and get a couple more pumps. I go ahead and work with this other chicken. That's crazy. So I'm definitely sorry about it. This who does that? And guess how much this mug cost? $10. Cost me $10 for this thing. And you gotta work. That's not cool. So I'm done talking about it. I'm kind of upset about it, really. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not pleased. So Misto, y'all need to get on top of y'all game. Y'all out here making stuff hard for people. And it shouldn't be that hard. Okay? Try to get some of this stuff covered up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look at this mess. I'm gonna take some of this Tony seasoning. I already used some. Wash my hands up. I don't like retouching my food with seasoning. So Dry them off a little bit. I'm just going to dust this a little bit like that. Alright. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and put this, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there, take you guys over there, show you what I'm going to do. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to take this chicken. We're going to slide this bad boy up in there. No buttons. Push it in there. Power button on. They got 400. I'm going to go with 375. We go with like, we'll go with 20 minutes. Alright? Then we'll just push on to start. Let this bad boy cook. And cook. Wipe this one down a little bit. Dust off it. Ain't too loud. We'll see if we got anything on my NUWAVE oven. And I'm going to be having some greens that I made earlier this week that I frozen and macaroni and cheese. I was going to make some fried macaroni and cheese balls. Comment and let me know. And by the way, if you guys new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll be trying to put up 3 meals a week. Restaurant quality meals, that is. I don't know how good restaurant quality this is going to be, but we're going to find out. Alright guys, stay tuned in. I'll be back. Okay, let's check on this, guys. You pause it. It still go while you open it, see? You can pause it. You don't want to get burnt. Check on it. Now, to me personally, if it's just something quick and easy or whatever, you know what I'm saying, but I don't like my chicken to look like that, so it's probably the reason why I don't use air fryers. Then I flipped it a couple of times too, because the ones at the bottom don't look like they want to get done, so you have to switch them around. So that's what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cook a little bit longer. So this is what, about a minute and a half. I'm going to turn it up a little bit to about 3 more minutes. And we just let that go ahead and cook. Show you what I got. Now I'm just telling you for real, I'm not pleased with it. You can only cook like probably about 4 or 5 pieces of chicken and it should turn out perfect. But if you're trying to put a lot of them in there at one time, it's not going to work out very well for you. I'm a fry guy. I like to fry my food. I use peanut oil, so that's what I use. So you can use whatever you want to use. I think I told you guys about this. I'm not a big fan of this misto. You have to pump it. I didn't like that. It's like doing extra work. You have to go like this just to get it going. So I didn't like that. They got the spray bottle one, so go get you one of those. Or if you like the pump, go ahead and get you one of the mistos. I don't like the pump. So stay tuned in. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. These them air fried crispy wings, if you can call them that. And I do apologize because my food do not look like that. But I'm not a big fan of the air fryer. I just decided, you know, to go ahead and check it out. My dad gave it to me and I wanted to check it out. So I mean, it's cooked all the way through, as you can see. It's crunchy, tastes good. Of course, got my seasoning right, so tender. Want that piece? Pretty good. But I'm not a fan of an air fryer. I like to do mine deep fry. I like stuff to be pretty. You have to look a certain type of way for me. Just who I am as a person. I've always been like that. So if you see, I ain't trying to be fancy or none of that stuff. That's how I always eaten. You know, since I got grown anyway. You know, when I was able to just cook for just me. So if you guys new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this video. Excuse me from smacking, because this thing is hot. I just took it out literally. So thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you next time. Veil Dog's Kitchen. Veil Dog signing out.